Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Irtiza from class 9th of Al Fazl International School. Today we will talk about work. It is defined as the amount of energy transferred to or from a body. In physics, work done by the force is equal to the product of magnitude of a force and displacement vector and cosine of the angle between two vectors. If F is the force acting on a body or a displacement S such that theta is the angle between F vector and S vector, and then the work is given as work is equal to F into S into cos of theta. Work is equal to F vector dot S vector. Equation second tells us that the work done by the force is equal to the dot product of force vector and displacement vector. Work is therefore a scalar quantity. Now we shall discuss some special cases. Number 1. If F and S are in the same direction, then theta is equal to 0 and work is given as work is equal to F into S into cos of 0. Work is equal to F into S into 1. Work is equal to Fs. Number 2. If F and S are in opposite direction, then theta is equal to 180 and work is given as work is equal to F into S into cos 180. Work is equal to F into S into minus 1. Work is equal to minus Fs. Number 3. If F and S are perpendicular to each other, then theta is equal to 90 degree and work is given as work is equal to F into S into cos of 90. Work is equal to F into S into 0. Work is equal to 0. From equation 1, it's clear that the SI unit of work is Newton meter. This unit is called joule. Now let us define 1 joule of work. 1 joule of work is that work which is done by a force of 1 Newton acting on a body or a displacement of 1 meter, such that the force and the displacement are in the same direction. Thank you.